Welcome back to the Lakeview Car Channel. Today we're going to be tearing apart the front suspension on my Forester, and we're going to be seeing what I'm going to need for new parts, and then also what else we may have to do to get her rolling properly. Let's get to it. So while we were banging away at the front tires, a wasp's nest fell out. I don't know how long that's been in there, but they no longer have a home.
Well, did you guys notice I got a new haircut?
Huh?
And glasses. This is getting much easier than the back, so I don't know why I'm complaining. It's a 12. Japanese cars don't use 13s. That's dumb.
Why do they make a 13?
That's for German cars.
Oh.
That's for those stupid cars. That's bogus.
What?
If you want to take this brake line out of the shock, you have to freaking take it off the caliper.
Oh, that's lame.
That is very lame. Usually there's like a little slot that you can
Just pull it
you can
through.
slide it out. Yeah.
Should we make a slot?
No, it's fine. It's not a big deal.
All right, so we got the entire front suspension torn apart and we were looking it over. It looks like everything is reusable and we're gonna be just fine. But with this, we'll be upgrading the brakes and the bearings because she's a little wobbly. But looking at all the hardware and all the components, everything looks good. So we'll continue to use it until it breaks and then we'll upgrade from there. But that is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you like to do, and we'll get back to you whenever we can. Also, right now, Liam and I are both waiting on parts for our cars, so maybe a few weeks till we get another video up, just because of funds, money, and the whole coronavirus thing. But yeah, so thank you. Have a great day.